Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock reference number 5203. The shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand fog light with surround. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Rear bumper cover does have a light scuff in the paintwork. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and no centre cap. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Does have some rips on the centre console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.